On the Newsfeeds Manager page, we can edit all of our news feeds. If you're using news feeds on your website and bringing in content from other RSS feeds, this is where you would manage all of those. On this screen, we can create new, we can edit, we can publish, unpublish, archive, check-in, trash, and we have some options here for the Newsfeeds Manager. If we click Options, you'll notice that we've got the list layouts is what we want to affect here for our news feeds. So do we want to display the select here, table headings, the article numbers, the feed links, the pagination, and the pagination results. This list layout is going to affect how our news feeds lay out when we publish them. And once we've changed some of these settings, you can hit save, save and close, and that'll close that. If you're inside and you're making a change, sometimes you can have another window open and you can simply hit save and it'll make those changes, and then you can go refresh in another tab or another window and see how that affected the way that your page lays out. That way you can stay in the screen and make another edit. Say let's show those articles and see what that looks like, and you click save and then go into another window or another tab and hit refresh, and you can see those changes live as you're kind of back in the back end working on it. If you're done in here, basically just simply hit save and close. On this page too, as most pages in Joomla, we can filter by select status, category, the access level, and the language as well. And we've got our search box here so we can find things quickly. At the bottom, we can affect our feeds with batch processes. We can batch select an access level. So if we have 30 feeds here and we only want specific users to see specific feeds, we can set those here. We can change the language for them, and we can select a category. We can move or copy things around in bulk using this this drop down here. And when you've made your choice up here, simply hit process, and it'll process that change. Like most screens in Joomla, again, the box here on the left selects all. We can sort by title. You can also click the icon here and it'll sort. And you'll notice that the icon changes direction when we do that. You can sort by status, category, ordering, access, the number of articles, cache time, language, and whatnot. And down here we can say, I don't want to look at 100 feeds. We only want to see 15 of them at a time. If when you do that, you'll be given a pagination kind of navigation at the bottom where you can click from page 1 to page 2 and whatnot, depending upon how many you've got. So, hope that was helpful.